Hi Beauty Smarties, it's Maria, and today I'm back with another video. I'm going to show you guys how I create my own braids. So we're going to do two parts. We are going to create a regular braid, and I'm going to show you how I take it up a notch by creating a French braid. When I first started learning how to braid my own hair, I kind of wish I was an octopus because I didn't have enough hands to hold all the hair. But with enough practice and time, I finally mastered it. And I'm here to show you guys how you can master it too. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to 17's YouTube channel by smashing that subscribe button down below and giving this video a big old thumbs up. And let's get right into the braiding. To rock your own braids, you'll need a comb, some bobby pins, and hair elastics. First, I'm gonna thoroughly comb my hair to get rid of any tangles because they make it really hard to create braids. Next, I'm going to comb my hair into the desired placement for the braid while taming any loose hairs. Usually it's easier to make your braid on the side, especially if you're just learning how to braid your hair. Now we're ready to create the braid. I will start by sectioning off my hair into 3 even sections. It helps to hold them in between your fingers. I'm going to overlap one of the outer strands over the middle strand. This allows you to create a new middle strand. Now I'll repeat this step with the opposite outer strand, and this creates a new middle strand. Keeping in mind the positioning of your strands is helpful to make sure you are continuing the braid pattern all the way down. Make sure that you are smoothing the hair every time you change the positioning. This will help prevent any bumps. Now keep overlapping each strand as you go, repeating these steps. You should start to see the braid pattern come to life. If so, congratulations. Don't worry if you still don't quite get it. Practice makes perfect while learning a new technique. It also helps to practice in front of a mirror. Once you have overlapped the hair all the way through, you can secure your braid with an elastic. And that's it. You've completed your braid. Now, if you're already a pro at the regular braid, you can try your hand at the French braid. The technique is very similar to the regular braid. You'll want to start with your hair combed to the back to lay the hair into the position that I want it to be for the French braid. This is also going to help prevent any hair bumps. I'm gonna start my braid at the front of my hair, so I'm gonna section off 3 separate pieces. Now I'm gonna start repeating the motions that I do with my regular braid by overlapping one of the outer strands over the middle, and then the opposite outer strand over the middle again. But the biggest difference is before I overlap the next outer strand, I'm gonna grab a few more pieces of hair for each corresponding side. This will help bring in the rest of the hair into the braid. Remember to really take your time and smooth out the hair you grab as you go. It's super important to keep your hair grasped to at least 2 of the strands. The tighter your grasp, the more secure your braid will be. Once you've reached the nape of your neck and there's no more hair to thread, you can create a regular braid all the way down and tie with an elastic. If there are any stray hairs, fear not. You can always use some bobby pins and hairspray to conceal any mistakes. This braid style may take a little longer than a regular braid, but trust me, once you nail it, it'll look so amazing and everyone will admire your work. Okay, Beauty Smarties, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a thing or two about braiding your hair. Let me know in the comment section down below what other hairstyles you'd like to see because I'm ready to bring them to you. And before we head out, make sure to subscribe to 17's YouTube channel. Don't forget, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!